Looking for some Bluetooth headphones with noise cancellation? Well, I got the Soundcore Space NCs by Anker, and we're gonna check them out right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and I have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But for now, let's get into the video. So I've been doing a lot of headphone reviews lately, and one thing I'd like to get more into when I do headphone reviews is more with noise cancellation. I've done a couple, but I really want to do more because I feel like that's the type of headphone that most people really want. And typically they're expensive. A lot of times if you want good noise canceling, then you've got to pay for it. Like when I did the Bluetooth T5s, the noise canceling was actually its downfall. So enter Anker with their Soundcore line of headphones. I've actually done a couple of things from Anker before. Shout out to them for sending me this to review. They're not paying me or anything. I'm gonna give my honest review. And matter of fact, if you've seen the way I've reviewed their products in the past, I'm surprised they keep sending me stuff. But the Space NCs are active noise canceling. So let's find out if these things are any good. Let's get them out of the box. So thanks again to Anker for sending this out. I do want to say one thing about these, especially since I got them out of the box. I love the fact that they give you a nice case. This isn't like hard shell, it's kind of this middle hard / soft shell. And if you saw my Sony headphone reviews, really anything from Sony, they don't give you extra anything. Shout out to this dude who says I talk too much with my hands. I mean, I don't know what to do with my hands. In addition to being form factored for the actual headphones, you have your little area here for your cables and such, which is nice. A lot of times you have just enough for the headphones and then you let the cables kind of flop around in there, and that's not a good look. As for the headphones themselves, pretty interesting. So this almost looks metallic on camera, but it's plastic, which is surprising. It's got a semi-metallic look, but it's actually plastic. You have your volume up and down, left, right on the ear cup, which I like. Your power, and looks like your back. I'm not even sure what that button does. We'll have to check that out. Your micro USB, and of course your headphone plug right there at the bottom. On the other side, you have your noise cancellation on, off, and that's the thing. We're gonna find out if turning noise cancellation makes these things good or bad. As far as the actual quality, the ear cups themselves labeled left and right, or left and right, and they feel real nice, like it's this weird faux leather, like a pleather or something really nice. And top is the same, a real nice squishy feel. We got a nice extension here on both sides. They also rotate, as you can see, when you fold them away into your case, they rotate into a pretty nice little package. So a couple specs real quick. Of course, the active noise cancellation, 40mm drivers. Of course, touch control on the side. And here's something interesting, 20 hours of wireless noise canceling time and 50 hours if you decide to wire it with active noise canceling on. That's pretty impressive. So let's just go ahead right now and test the music without noise cancellation, and then we'll take it from there. I'm going to use You Know You Like It by DJ Snake because it has a lot of highs, mids, and incredible bass. It always, always, always separates the men from the babies. And let me tell you something, it has really separated some headphones on this channel from being to being great, or vice versa. I thought that these were buttons on the side, but it's actually like a touch sensitive thing. So if you want to volume up, you swipe your finger up. If you want to go down, you swipe your finger down. And I think I have it all the way up. Doesn't appear to be getting any louder. I'm actually a little disappointed by how loud these are. So let's get into the song. Let's hit the first bass line and let's see where we are. Okay, highs and mids are pretty good. I can barely hear myself talking, but remember, noise canceling is not on. And there's a little crisp. I mean, I've heard better, but not bad. Okay, here comes the bass drop. 3, 2, 1, bass drop. Okay. It is an even sound. It's not overpowering. Now, I love bass, so maybe I'm a little underwhelmed, but that's only because like I love really heavy bass headphones, but it's solid. It sounds okay. The question is, what does it sound like when you turn on noise cancellation? Let's find out. Playing the same song. Okay, highs have been boosted. Highs appear to be boosted, certainly by a volume. Highs and mids appear to be boosted somewhat. A little bit cleaner. We'll check the bass line. Typically with headphones in this range, bass is gone. So let's find out. Noise cancellation on, bass drop in, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The bass has been boosted. I did not see that coming. Bass has been boosted by turning on noise cancellation, which is the opposite of what I expected. All right, so I figured it out. I took the headphones outside, went to a store, turned noise cancellation on, and these are a go. These are gonna be in my car. When you turn noise cancellation on, it actually does work, works pretty well, works what you would expect. Not to the level of like a Bose, but certainly more than the $99 you're gonna pay for these. And the sound quality is great, especially when you turn noise cancellation on. It's just the opposite of what I was expecting. These lower cost headphones, when you turn on noise cancellation, usually takes out the bass. This does the opposite. It actually enhances everything. So as far as I'm concerned, I like them. They're gonna be in my car. I'm gonna use them when I'm out and about. So there you go. So if this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. I'm here every single week having a blast doing these videos. I hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.